Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Outstanding Jamaican batsman Jordan Johnson is among 5 players from the island named in the West Indies Under-19 squad for next year's ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup in South Africa. Johnson, who recently made his first-class debut in the West Indies A tour of South Africa, joins fellow batsmen Adrian Ware and Stephen Wedderburn and the bowlers Ryan Edwards and Deshaun James in the 15-man squad. 18-year-old Johnson impressed in the youth series against Sri Lanka Youth, being the top scorer in 3 youth tests with 358 runs at an average of 179, including 2 centuries and 1 half-century, and a top score of 157 not out. Dominican top-order batter Stephen Pascal has been named captain, with the Barbadian Nathan Seeley, the slow-bowling all-rounder, as vice-captain. For the tournament, the West Indies have been drawn alongside hosts South Africa, Scotland and England in Group B for their first-round matches. Now, Sunshine Girls defender Jodian Ward will have a new team for the upcoming Suncorp Super Netball League after being assigned by Giants Netball, ending her stint with the Collingwood Magpies. Ward is said to have signed a long-term deal with the Giants. The versatile defender joins the Giants following career-best form with the Magpies last season, where she totaled 40 intercepts, 66 deflections and 16 rebounds to solidify her spot as the goal defence in the 2023 Team of the Year. The Sunshine Girl joined the Super Netball League in 2020 following 18 games in the English Super League and went on to play 56 games across her 4 seasons with the Magpies. Meanwhile, the Adelaide Thunderbirds have locked in Jamaican star defender Latanya Wilson on a 3-year deal that will secure her at the club until the end of 2026. Playing across wing defence, goal defence and occasionally goalkeeper, she finished the season in fourth across the league for intercepts with 30 and 4th for deflections with 70. She was named in the league's team of the round on 4 occasions in both wing defence and goal defence, and was named as the wing defence in the 2023 Team of the Year. She was also voted by her peers as the 2023 Players Player for the Adelaide Thunderbirds. Defending champions Mount Pleasant FC suffered back-to-back losses, going down 2-0 to Vere United as action continued in the Jamaica Premier League yesterday at Drax Hall. Alric Maitland got Vere going in the 23rd minute before the informed Kemar Beckford sealed the game in minute 54.
Good overall performance from our team. We play against a quality team, a quality Mount Pleasant team who, of course, get some chances early in the game, never capitalize on it. And, we counter-attack with Copper and we get 2. So we really satisfied for that. We do a lot of work, a lot of defensive work because, again, the underfoot condition was really a problem to us, but, we fight all the way and a hard-fought victory. And we're proud of the guys for what they have done.
Meanwhile, Arnett Gardens moved to 18 points after blanking Humble Iron 2-0. Rashiki Kelson put the Junglists ahead in the 76th minute, with Kevon McGregor sealing the win in second half stoppage time.
I'm happy that we to pick up 3 points here. It's not easy to come down here and get 3 points, and we are grateful for that. I think we were better in the second half. I think we're probably a little bit fitter than them, or probably a little bit tired, but I think we managed to dominate in the second half. And we did much better than we did in the first half. Created more openings and we exploited some areas that we see that were available for us to exploit.
In other games on Sunday, Tivoli Gardens got by Malines United 1-0. Portmore United defeated Cavalier by a similar scoreline, while Dunbeholden came from a goal down to beat Mabay 2-1. Harbourview will battle Lime Hall in the curtain raiser at 5 p.m, while Waterhouse play Treasure Beach at 7:30 p.m. in tonight's Monday night doubleheader. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.